Good afternoon, we are group 5. I'm Anissa Nurasana.
And I'm Kezia Nola Putri.
And I'm Siti Nurhaliza Hidayat.
Today we have chosen the topic of palm oil industry in Indonesia. This topic is interesting to us because our country is one of the largest producers of palm oil. So, palm oil is one of the vegetable oil derived from the mesocalf or the oil palm fruit, which can serve as a source of energy, food, and raw material of biodiesel. In the Indonesia, palm oil industry is one of the largest producers and exporters in the world, particularly in Sumatra Island and Kalimantan Island, and serve as the backbone of the national economy. Okay. Indonesia is one of the countries with the largest palm oil industry of as a producer and exporter in the world. Palm oil has successfully thrived in Indonesia. Indonesia has managed to contribute 85% of the global palm oil export alongside Malaysia, highlighting the significant contribution of both countries to the global vegetable oil market. With large production, extensive plantation areas, and strong integration, Indonesia has become a major supplier of food, cosmetic, and biofuels.
Okay, for the global market, as we know, Indonesia play a very important role in the global market, palm oil market, because it is a larger producer and exporter. And palm oil is produced in Indonesia to many countries to meet global demand. The main export destination include India, China, European Union, Pakistan, and United States. And this country import palm oil because it is widely used in many industries, especially in food productions. Because as we know, palm oil can produce an oil to in order to make an food, and also cosmetics, biofuel. And for example, palm oil is used to produce cooking oil, as I said before, margarine, chocolate, soap, and even renewable energy sources like biodiesel. And the global demand for palm oil continues to grow because it is more efficient and cheaper to produce compared to other vegetable oils such as soybean or sunflowers. This make palm oil very competitive product in international market. And next, okay, for the economic contributions. For the economic contributions, palm oil is one of Indonesia's largest export. It is provide million jobs in plantation processing and trade because Indonesia has a big producing in palm oil. That's why it also has need many labor and sources, and also it is support the development of other industries such as food processing, renewable energy, chemical industry. Next. And of course, in this industry, we also has a challenge. One of the main challenges in environmental issues, especially concerned about deforestation. As we know, our government make a legal of this deforestation, and some environmental organizations argue that the expansion of the palm oil plantation can lead to forest loss and the biodiversity problems. Another challenge is negative campaigns against palm oil in several countries, especially in Europe. These campaigns sometimes affect the image of palm oil product and can influence consumer preference. The industry also faces price fluctuations in the global market. Palm oil prices can change depending on the global supply and demand, and also economic conditions. And this can affect the income of producer and the farmer.
Okay, for the sustainability effort, to make the palm oil industry more sustainable, several efforts are being implemented. First, companies adopt sustainable palm oil certification to ensure that production follows environmental and social standards. Second, there are initiatives to reduce deforestation and protect natural ecosystem. Third, the industry promotes environmentally friendly farming practice to minimize environmental impact. Finally, many programs aim to support smallholders farmers since they play an important role in palm oil production. In conclusion, the palm oil industry is a strategic sector for Indonesia. It plays a major role in the country's economy and global trade. However, to ensure the industry long-term growth, it is important to continue implementing sustainable practices that balance economic benefits with environmental responsibility.
So this is